Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel where I teach you all about social media for creators and entrepreneurs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to post a large photo on Instagram, which surprisingly not many people know about. But first, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so let's get into it.
So there are 3 different sizes of photos you can post on Instagram: landscape, square and portrait. As you can see, portrait takes up most of the screen space, so we want to try and post photos this size to make them stand out. Okay, so the first step is to go to your camera roll and select a photo that was taken vertically. Click Edit and Crop tool. Crop it to 4:5 ratio or 8:10 in some cases, and save. If you posted this photo normally, Instagram would crop it into a square, but I'm gonna show you how to avoid that. You can do this with any editing app. The key is just to crop it to this ratio, because it's the only size Instagram will allow that's larger than a square. Oh, and by the way, I created a cheat sheet with Instagram image, video, IGTV and live sizes and dimensions. Click the link in the description to download it. Okay, so now that you cropped your photo to 4:5, go to Instagram, upload it as usual and click the little arrow icon at the bottom left. And boom! If you do this, the photo will be posted as a portrait.
Alright guys, so that's it. I really hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe and don't forget to grab the cheat sheet in the description. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.